Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to learn about our national symbols.
What are national symbols? National symbols of a country tell us about the country's image. They tell us about the values and culture of that country. Let us learn about national symbols of India. Our national flag. Our national flag is also known as tricolor or tiranga. It is rectangular in shape with three bands of different colors: saffron, white, and green. The topmost color, saffron, represents courage and sacrifice. The middle color, white, represents truth, peace, and purity. The lowermost color, green, represents prosperity. In the middle, there is a navy blue Ashoka Chakra that has a 24 equal spokes. Our national emblem. Students, can you identify this? Well, it is our national emblem. It has four lions standing back to back. Do you know that it has taken from the Ashoka lion pillar at Sarnath? This symbol was adopted as the national emblem of India by the Indian government on 26 January 1950. It can be seen on all the government documents, rupee and coins. The national emblem has a horse, a bull, and a wheel between them. It stands on a full bloomed lotus. The four lions symbolize power, courage, and confidence. The word Satyameva Jayate written below the wheels represents the truth only wins. Our national anthem. Our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, was written by Rabindranath Tagore. We must show respect to our national anthem. Learn the anthem and sing it while standing in attention position. We sing it on Independence Day, Republic Day, and on other important occasions. Our national animal. Students, can you identify this? Yes, this is a tiger. Well, it is our national animal. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. It represents grace, strength, and power. To protect tigers, Project Tiger was initiated by the government of India. Now they are comfortable and protected in national parks and wildlife sanctuaries of India. Our national bird. Students, can you identify this? Yes, this is a peacock. The peacock is our national bird. It is a beautiful bird with a long blue neck and a tail of colorful feathers. It is a symbol of beauty and peace. Our national tree. So, students, which picture is this? This is a banyan tree. Yes, banyan tree is the national tree of India. It is a very huge tree which expands over a very large area. Banyan tree can live up to several hundred years. Our national flower. The lotus is our national flower. It grows in muddy ponds and lakes. The flower represents truth, knowledge, and wealth. The lotus has been widely used in our art and culture. Our national fruit. Students, can you identify this picture? Yes, this is a mango. Mango is the national fruit of India. It is a very juicy and pulpy. It is also called the king of fruits.